Okay, hello my jammers. It is me, Squeak Funna 9UT, and I'm going to be trying to find out something mysterious. No, I'm kidding. But I'm just gonna be hanging out with SUSU most of it. We can only have darn 5 minutes. Great news. But I'm gonna see if I can try and get something good from her. I really hope it works, but I don't know. But because she only has like a necklace or something, try or something. I can never do this. It is too hard for me. But I know what to do. I'm a trader. Okay, why is it an pet? Let's see. I've really done trading for so long. Okay, nothing new, but okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm trying to do this in particular. Oh yeah. No, actually, I'm not gonna. Okay. I'm sorry. I just ate. That was the worst timing ever. But I just want to finally get into a video. Like, so SUSU is recording right now. I could find a video right now. I'll paste it down. Right here. And fun, yay! This video right now, that is beautiful.
You give me too much.
I'm gonna just keep this right now.
And I didn't even have
I really wish I could gift her my thing, but apparently I can't.
I'm gonna like come with
That's why I'm recording.
You got a house on it. That's very cool. Very nice. Very nice.
It's beautiful. This is beautiful. Alright, come on, hurry up. Oh my gosh, yes. That was such a good try. Why would you say no, though? I mean, it's not like it's a really big necklace. That's it.
These are nice.
Give me something. Okay, but I actually have no idea what that means. SUSU, come on.
Oh my goodness. I got 3 of these.
Oh, whoa. Beautiful. I'm gonna just give her that. Please give me back something. Please, I'm innocent. I'm not kidding. Oh crap. What's the physical practice?
I was listening to
Okay, come on.
I'm not that rare. I'm recording. Okay, hello recording.
Lol.
Hello recording.
But anyways, this is gonna take very long. I'm not what?
Hello.
This is not my dream item.
Hello. I was about to say
Ooh, I will wear anything you give me. I will wear anything you give me. Literally. I am wearing it. And it's fine. And these fancy boots. I'll talk to anything. I don't know what that means, but I will accept it. I'm going to give you 10 of my rares. Do not give me back.
Okay, I don't know.
I'm such a bad person.
But they're really rare.
I'm just trying to give her like everything I have and see what she does. I just want to see what she has in mind.
I don't want this one.
Okay, I'm gonna give you these two because I really don't care. I'm just gonna working to the limit.
Do not give back if you don't want. Thank you so much. But you know what? I'm gonna give you back.
Oh my god, why? Why is your mom calling you? Okay. I already gave her 2 things, so she should.
Have this rare champion. Oh yeah. Oh. I'm getting some. Hey, fish.
I'm sorry.
Hey. Okay. Hello. Okay. Oh, an art. Oh. Look how this is. Okay.
Let me get low.